Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add IFC Markets live account to MT5. Alright, let's begin. First, open the MT5 platform. At the top left corner, click on File, then select Open an Account. In the search bar, type IFC Markets and click Find Your Company. You'll see a list with options like IFC Markets or IFC Markets Limited. Choose the one that matches your account type. As I don't have it available in my region, I will walk you through the steps. Once selected, click Next. On the next screen, choose Connect with an existing trade account. Now enter your login credentials, your account number, and password. Then from the server list, select the correct server for your account, either real or demo. After that, click Finish, and your IFC Markets live account will be successfully added to MT5. You should now be able to view your balance, place trades, and monitor the market directly from the platform. If you ever face any connection issues, double-check your server name and credentials. Using the wrong server or mistyped login details can prevent the connection from completing. So that's basically how you can add IFC Markets live account to MT5. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.